Spring is in full bloom, and I'm ready to live my cottagecore dream in this upcycled toile print dress. Relax in the garden and follow along on this sewing adventure. When I saw this tablecloth at the thrift store, I knew I had to transform it into a beautiful cottagecore style dress. The print reminded me of that dress that's all over Pinterest. Yes, that dress. With that as my inspiration and this old pattern from my stash, I got to work cutting, pinning, and sewing it all together. So I went ahead and tried it on myself, and I already made a lot of adjustments, my pins. I'm gonna go ahead and base stitch it and try it on again, right side out, to see if it needs any more adjusting. After taking in the seams for the perfect fit, I put in the zipper closure. I decided on a simple zipper closure instead of a corset tie back. I cut out a rough shape for the cups in the fashion fabric and lining fabric, then sewed them right sides together, sewed an understitch beside the seam on the seam allowance, then top stitched the channel for the ribbon tie at the top of the cup. I used a safety pin to guide the ribbon through the channel and secured it to one side. Then I did a baste stitch to make gathers on the bottom of the cups. It's coming together and looking so cute. It took me a good bit to play around with these cups and get them exactly how I want them. So now I'm going to go ahead and sew it down. I did a quick fitting and decided to take in these side back seams a little bit more, checked the length of the straps, and got back to work. I used my gathering foot to make ruffles out of almost 6 yards of fabric strips. Now I got this beautiful ruffle to attach to the hem of the skirt. Then we can see the final product. Wearing this dress makes me want to take a walk through the garden, read a fairy tale novel in a meadow, and enjoy a picnic surrounded by nature. I really enjoyed creating this dress from a thrifted tablecloth. I think it invokes the meaning of cottagecore, creating, repurposing, and using what nature has given us. Thanks for watching!